Alright. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, I'm Jeki, or you can call me Jeki. Today I'm doing something special, a full walkthrough of my personal portfolio website. Not just what it does, but how it works, why I designed it this way, and how you can build something just like it using only HTML and CSS. But I think that might be a little JavaScript, but it's just a little, kind of little. This isn't just a resume, it's a digital vibe, a reflection of who I am: creative, passionate, a little quirky, and totally in love with web design. And yes, this entire site runs on vanilla code, no JavaScript frameworks. But I think, just like as I said, that might be a little, just a little. No CMS, just pure structure, style, and personality. In the next 8 minutes, I'll walk you through every major part, from the cool intro screen to the navigation, hero section, about me, portfolio grid, contact form, and even the social links. Let's break it down piece by piece. The first is we got a visual code editor showing doc type, head, and meta tags. This is the foundation of any website. We start with like this kind of comment, I guess, to tell the browser we are using HTML5. These two lines are crucial. The first ensures special characters display correctly. The second makes the site mobile friendly. Without it, your site won't scale properly on phones. And we link our CSS file here. Then comes something fun. There is the intro screen. It's a full screen overlay with a smooth fade out animation after 2 seconds. I use position fixed and 2 in and Z index like this. So it sits on top of everything, then fades out with CSS keyframes. This gives the site a cinematic feel, like a mini intro sequence. Next up, we got visual desktop versus mobile layout side by side. Next up, the navigation bar. It's clean, sticky, and has a frosted glass effect using backdrop filter and blur and 10px. On desktop, all links are visible, but on mobile, they hide behind the hamburger menu. You see, guys, like this three lines kind of thing. Yeah, like that. When clicked, it toggles the active class, which shows the menu, and thanks to the media queries, it stacks vertically on small screens. This is a standard pattern used on millions of websites, clean and functional. And then, visual hero section with text and image side by side. This is the hero section. The first thing people can see, the first thing people that usually want to check about it. I used CSS grid to split it into 2 columns, text on the left, image on the right. The heading use a gradient text effect. Looks fancy, right? And buttons have hover lift effects with box shadows. Even the image has a subtle border, glow, and scales up and on hover. There is also a little cat floating below with its own animation. It's small, but it adds charm and shows I don't take myself too seriously. And then we got the visual about section with image and skills. Here is where I introduce myself, designer and developer. I keep the tone casual and fun. I make digital stuff that people actually vibe with. The layout, again, CSS grid, same 2 column style. And check out the skills section, styled as colorful pills with padding and rounded corners, even through in Cat and Sigma. Yeah, just look at the class because why not? The image on the rack has a floating animation. It gently bobs up and down, subtle but eye-catching. Now we got to visual portfolio grid with 6 cards. Now most portfolios shows websites or apps, but I went a different route. I showcase my passions. Each card is a portfolio item with an image, a title, and a short description. Yep, I included my love for cats, food, lifting weights, and even my laptop. It's not traditional, but it tells a story. The grid uses like this. This means automatically fit as many cards as possible per row. No matter the screen size, hover effects make card live and image zoom smooth and professional. Now we got to contact form to I think it's like visual form with name, email, message field. I didn't want to deal with backend code, so I used formsupport.co. It's a free service that sends form data to my email. No JavaScript needed, just set the action to your email and it works. Inshallah. The form is centered, has clean inputs with focus effects, and the buttons has a nice hover animation, simple but effective. Now we got to footer and social links. Visual footer with icons and copyrights. Finally, the footer where I can connect my socials. Each icon is wrapped in a link on hover. They lift up and change background color, small detail, big impact, and the copyright line just like this. And here we are to the final thoughts. Visual full site preview on desktop and mobile. So what makes this site work? So the first, it's responsive. Looks great on phone, tablet, and desktop. Also, it is works on smartwatch if you have to. And secondly, it's animated, but not over the top, just enough to feel alive. And the third, it's me. It's not a template. It shows my personality, patience, and skills. And all of it built with vanilla HTML and CSS. No framework, no build tools. If you are learning web development, start here. Master the basics, add your own flair, and most importantly, have fun with it. Go drop a comment below, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more web dev content, and hit the bell because next time I'll be rebuilding this I'll be rebuilding this with React and Tailwind. I guess. So that's all for me. So don't forget, until next time, keep coding, keep creative, peace.